The Renaissance was in essence an intellectual rebirth. Literally, Renaissance means rebirth or reawakening, and the name refers to the rebirth of classical, especially Greek learning after centuries of comparative neglect. The Renaissance was the period in which the great revival of learning, which started in Italy in the 13th century and which came to England in the second half of the 14th century and reached full blooming. The Renaissance is rightly regarded as the chief force in the making of modern European literature. It is the Renaissance influence which makes the Elizabethan age wonderfully fertile, productive, and splendid. The period ranks as one of the greatest in the annals of world literature. There was an abundance of translation. Classical literature, mythology, fine arts like painting, sculpture and music, and feel and painted to aesthetic sensibility of the English nation. The Renaissance does not only mean the revival or rebirth of classical learning, it also means an awakening of the minds of men. Freedom of thought and freedom of action were the dominant passions of the age. The Renaissance freed the minds of man from the shackles of medievalism. The process started in the age of Chaucer and reached its consummation during the Elizabethan period. During the Elizabethan period, Renaissance spirit is marked with a growing sense of beauty and an increasing enrichment of life. The Renaissance period is therefore an age of materialism and frank and bold enjoyment of life. Beauty was a passion with the Renaissance people, and women were regarded as admirable creatures. England's trades and commerce flourished, and the century grew and became prosperous. So, it can be said that the age of Renaissance is a glorious period, notable for rapid expansion of commerce, new scientific discovery, intense political nationalism, spirit of individualism, humanism, and religious controversy. It was a such glorious age in which men of genius like Shakespeare, Spenser, Christopher Marlowe, Bacon, Ben Jonson could make their mark.